He's on, he's on. The moving snag. Oh! Oh my gosh! One. Oh, that's not the second biggest.
Hey, what's up guys? Hope y'all doing great. It is early morning, somewhat early, 10 a.m. I am here fishing at Great Falls on my kayak, and I am collabing with All Adventure Capital, which he got here probably an hour and a half after me, or before me, just because I had issues with my kayak, strapping it down in my car, but don't think that's gonna happen anymore. But anyways, I just tied up, got 2 rods, my Baitcaster, which has a Topwater. It's a Bass Pro Shop popper. And then I gotta tie my other rod on. Currently has nothing on, but brought my ugly stick spinning combo. And we're gonna try to catch some smallmouth bass. All Adventure Capital already caught a couple fat ones. He said they're hitting topwater, so that's why I decided to put on the popper. And other rod, I think I'm just gonna tie on a paddle tail, or actually, I'm gonna tie on a crankbait. I'm gonna go on hard baits today, so let's see if we can get some fish, guys. Alrighty, as you can see, I got my net between my legs. I am going to fish. I'll fish here on the bank a little bit before I get to John. Oh yeah. Oh, come on. Nice. Oh, did he come off? No, he came off. Fudge. That was a bad hook set, I guess. Tiny drag. That's just me.
Alright guys, that's promise. Got Mr. Kev here on the jack.
What's up, guys? All Adventure Capital is here, guys.
What up, y'all?
I got a Topwater popper on this rod.
Similar colors, kind of.
Oh yeah, and you got the Choppo, correct?
Yep. Yeah, right now it's slaying, bro. Since I got here, it's been like topwater action.
So guys, All Adventure Capital, he is
What up, y'all?
really good at bass fishing. I do a lot of carp fishing, so he's giving me some good tips, and hopefully I can get on one. I actually did hook up on a smallie, but I lost it.
Oh no way!
Yeah,
you did? Okay.
it was
What
on
were
this.
you using?
I was on this lipless.
Oh, that's a good one too.
Yeah, so
yeah,
it's like,
they like finesse stuff like that.
mm-hmm.
So that's nice. Awesome, dude. Well, let's go get some more, bro.
Yeah, let's go. What? It's on? Oh my god. He's on, he's on. I have to turn 180 to see this. Dude. Oh my gosh. Right when we said the topwater bite probably died, he got one.
It's not over, baby.
It's not over. Now my fishing rod's in the way. Woo.
Let's go. Oh, it just came off.
No!
It popped off right here.
Oh. Dang. Let's see, I got the popper tied on now. Oh my gosh. The wind's pushing me. No. Oh, nice. Yeah, if it's small,
I think I had issues last year. They couldn't take it. All right, guys, it's time to throw out smaller lure. We got this JDM floating minnow crankbait from my buddy. We're gonna see if we can catch some now, because I am sucking today. I'm drifting everywhere too. Let me just fish. Come back. Come back to that area. Super dink. Oh, I'm on. Yes.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Finally. Come on. It's pretty good. Yay! First fish of the day for me. No, minnow. Floating minnow. JDM lure, yeah. The JDM lure. Not bad. I am now gonna catch up.
All right, guys. Kev just got on his first smallmouth. No skunk.
No skunk, yeah.
Yes, dude. Was that on that JDM lure?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Ooh, that thing's nice, man. I love the colors on that.
Yellow, white, and like a
How do you work it? Like a jerk bait?
I work it like a fluke. It's like darting side to side when I jerk it.
I'm gonna get close so you can show us your lure, your JDM lure.
Yeah, but he's a little
that
stuck
looks
on the net.
amazing.
Yeah, look at that.
Dude,
It's
that's
got like
awesome, bro.
nice detailed eyes too.
Yeah, I like that.
It doesn't have a lip. It's just like when it sinks, it flutters, and then when you jerk it, it goes side to side.
Oh, okay, nice. Well, obviously he liked it, man. Shows your fish right here, your first smallie of the day.
One smaller of a day for me.
There you go, bro.
Look at the belly going on.
Yeah, I'm telling you, they're fat right here. Even the little ones got a little pot belly on them, huh?
Yeah, this is the first one of the year for me too.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Congrats, bro. Let me get a good picture of you. Gotcha, bro.
Alrighty, I'm gonna release it between us.
Yeah.
All right, first Smalley.
First one of the day. See ya. Heck yeah, dude.
Yeah, thanks.
No skunk, bro. No skunk.
Going back to this, catch more with the JDM minnow.
Medium light.
Uh-oh.
Well,
My lure, come here. I will get you. The moving snag. Oh yeah, lure save. Look at that. I need to get out of here now. Oop. Oh my gosh, man. I'm gonna throw topwater when it rains. Oh! Oh my gosh! Right there! I got it. Yes, yes. Yeah, good one. Oh yeah, let him pull drag. He hit it right. He hit it right in front of the yak. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's good. He might be a PB. It's not pulling drag though. There you go. There you go. Just want to lose this fish. Oh my gosh, on a walk plopper. Oh. Oh, he's digging. Oh my gosh. Playing with the drag too much, I think. Oh, come on. Did he get stuck in the snag? Come on. Oh no, 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 no. No, he's still there. He's still there. There you go. Oh, he's good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He's over 2 pounds. He's over 2 pounds. Oh my god, this is a beast. He's huge.
Oh my gosh. No way. Come on, come on. Oh. Please, please. Get in, get in, get in there. Let's go. Yes! Oh my god, you gotta check this out. Holy sh. Oh my god, dude. No, that's, I think this is a 5-pounder. Oh my god. You're not gonna believe me, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Holy sh.
It's like the one I caught earlier.
Yeah.
Wasn't that thing that was like 2.5?
Dude, this is.
Now I have an idea of how much mine is.
Oh my gosh, dude. Look at this. You see, look at this.
Yeah, that's not the one I caught.
Oh my god, man.
I caught a few of them like that.
What the heck, bro? Topwater. Right here. Holy moly. Yeah. I need to get a weight.
Yeah, dude. All right, guys, check it out. It's pouring right now, and Kevin got on this beautiful, huge smallie.
Heck yeah, man.
His biggest one of the day so far, right?
Yeah, like the biggest I've
And
ever
what was
seen
it off
ever.
of?
This was off the Whopper Popper right here.
Topwater, baby, right?
Topwater.
Let's go, let's
Hit it
go.
right in front of the kayak. He just took it and went straight down. It was so awesome.
So awesome. Great catch, bro. Let's get a weight on it.
Yep.
That's a good one, man. That makes up for like...
For missing all of them.
Yeah, totally, bro. I'm guessing like over 2.5. 2.6.
Oh, he is a 2. Oh, I thought it'd be bigger than 2.
What is he?
It's still going. There you go. What does it say? 2 pounds, 15 ounces.
What did I tell you, bro?
Oh my gosh.
Didn't I tell you they're around 2 pounders?
Yeah, this is all pretty much like 3 pounds.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you.
That is nuts.
Yeah. That's what I'm telling you. Like the one I caught was like 2.5 or above.
Mm-hmm. I just crushed my
a couple
PB.
casts. I think this rain's gonna stay, bro.
I think so.
And then we can head on out. The wind stopped though.
The wind stopped, but now the rain's here.
Now the rain's
I'd rather
here.
have the wind than the rain.
Hey, totally, bro.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this beauty.
Damn, we're drifting pretty far out.
I'm gonna let him go. Thanks for coming, man. 2 pounds, 15 ounces.
That makes up for it right there. A football like that?
Yeah. See you later, girl.
Heck yeah.
Oh, she's still floating.
Oh yeah. Oh, you have to like do a little. Oh, he's going now. There you go.
Oh, there you go.
He's catching his...
See ya.
Alright, let's head over. We can fish on the way back.
Yeah, let's go back. That was the rock for sure. Oh, you on? You on? Oh no! Come on. He lost. Yeah, he swiped at it. Oh yeah. Damn it! They're like short striking it. Are they're short striking you, right?
Yeah. The little ones. Those are the little ones.
I saw his body too. Come on, little ones. I think I'm on. There you go. Yeah. Get in boat. JDM lure. Yeah, guys, they're short striking it. This one. Heck yeah. And yeah, he got the tail bit. That's it. Nice, guys. I don't think I took any selfies with the big one, but I got before this, but John got a picture. Let me take a picture of this. All right, little guy. Thanks for coming. I got 3 fish today. Lost 1, landed 3. I'm on. Yep. Nice. Good one. I know, man. Oh! Full flip. Let's go. Oh! JDM lure. Oh, it's a little bigger. Nice. Oh! Popped right off. Woo! This one's super feisty. Nice. Prawn's back. I want to take a selfie with you. Hey, man. I see you moving your eyes. Got a white belly. Got the white belly. Probably a solid pounder. See you later, man. Thanks for coming. Woo! Splashed me. This lure is awesome. I realized I lost one of the eyeballs on this lure, but I don't think that matters. What matters is the body and the action. Oh my gosh! I might have gotten that on camera. Oh yeah. All of venture capital is fighting right now. It's fighting a good fish.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Go. Get in here, buddy. Little one, but I'll take it.
Topwater bite. Come on. Yep. Yeah. I will land you this time. Oh my gosh. It's going drag. Oh, that's probably the second biggest one for me. Ooh. Yes. Got him. This lure is awesome, guys. I want to catch up to John. We are heading back. Ooh, no wonder he fought hard. He's bigger than I thought. Ooh. Alright. Solid. Really cool. Tiger bass. Smallmouth bass. We'll get on the water release.